There are leather jackets, the kind that don't really smell like leather, they don't really look like leather, they look more like pleather, and they're really geared to the city, the moto scene, and the World War II bomber pilot reenactment scene, with leather normally sourced from Pakistan. Man, if I had $1 for every time a Pakistani tannery reached out to me, I would be as rich as this guy. And then there are real leather jackets, the kind that look and feel and smell like real leather. Hey guys, this is Grant with Nick's Handmade Boots, and today we're gonna make history. Many of you know last year we launched several collaborations with our buddies over in New Jersey, a pair of apparel brothers, firefighters who make awesome chief coats. We created an American icon, a jacket that harkened back to the days of when we valued American materials, US jobs, and longevity. We built a jacket out of 20-ounce canvas, lined it with USA-made wool, and threw a Wicked and Craig collar on it. They sold out in a few hours. And for those that missed out on that coat, you had the chance to jump on the Nick's Chief's coat. The Chief coat was the Patriot coat, but designed for fall and spring. And then we ripped the sleeves off of that and called it the Patriot vest, my personal favorite. Then one day I was sitting at my desk playing with a piece of gusset, and I thought to myself, why can't I just wrap my entire torso up in this beautiful 3-ounce leather? Hey, can you throw some sleeves on this thing? Thus, I began my journey to find a real leather coat, the kind of coat that is designed to take the abuse and beating of real, honest hard work. I found a lot that were kind of sorta made in the USA, but the website was so confusing, I just figured there's no way they're actually made in the USA. I found a lot of motorcycle jackets, a lot of World War II reenactment jackets. I found a lot of kind of city coats made out of whatever skin, but I could not find a hard-working USA-made leather jacket. Then I started asking myself, why don't thick leather jackets exist, made in the USA? Then the answer came to me. That would be an extremely heavy, bulky, beefy jacket that would probably outlive the wearer of the jacket. That would be so dumbfoundingly amazing. Like I said earlier, today we're gonna make history. Today I'm excited to announce the Nick's Heat Straps Leather Patriot Coat.
Talking about this coat? If you want to insert a clip right there of Grant getting hit with the jacket again. So anyway, this is the Patriot leather coat.
The Leather Patriot Coat.
So anyways, this is the Patriot leather coat.
The Leather Patriot Coat.
Stop, Grant. Made from 2.5 to 3 ounce, tanned in the USA from the Seidel Tannery, 1964 brown leather. This jacket takes 2.5 sides of leather to make, which in terms of boots, it's about 7 pairs of 10-inch work boots. As you can see, it boasts a beautiful medium brown color. You've got a fantastic pull-up in the areas that bend. One of the great features is that this thing is lined with American wool. This wool is from American Wool and Mills. It's a beautiful olive drab color and pairs really nicely with the 1964 brown. All of the hardware is solid brass hardware made in the USA, made in the USA leather, made in the USA wool. The jacket's made in the USA, and you're a USA customer. Maybe. Same thing as the waxed canvas Patriot jacket. You've got 2 points of adjustment on your sleeves. You've got a number of snaps once you zip up your coat. Again, solid brass number 10 YKK zipper. The back of the shoulders are gusseted so that you don't have unnecessary bunching of leather. Something else that's different between this jacket and a classic Patriot jacket or a chief coat is going to be the pocket design. So as you can see, we changed up the pockets a little bit. We've got 2 snap pockets up at the top, 2 45-degree angle hand pockets at the bottom. Really comfortable, as opposed to the traditional Patriot or the chief coat, just a little bit different. Has a classic top entrance on the bottom pockets and has 1 snap pocket and then 1 open pocket. Like Grant said, this is really the ultimate jacket if you're looking for a USA made jacket that both looks good and works hard. This jacket's ideal for anything from chopping wood, running a chainsaw, tasks around the farm. It's even good if you want to go out and look a little nicer with the nice brown leather. As opposed to, say, a canvas shell on a jacket, this all leather 3-ounce jacket is going to give you a little bit more durability. Think of it like a pair of leather gloves on your entire body. This thing is made for work.
So again, guys, and yes, this is really how short I am, and this is really how tall he is. So if you missed out on the Patriot coat, the Nick's Chief coat, the Patriot vest, do not miss out on the ultimate leather Patriot jacket.
If you're interested, this thing is launching this Saturday, August 12th.